Alrighty, so here's the thing. I made it through the basic foundation of this game, that little like basic thingamajig, and I really like this game so much. So what I did is I essentially removed my save data and all, and we're starting essentially fresh, at least for the first section, right? Now, hopefully I can run through all of this and get back to where I stopped. Nevertheless, I think ultimately this will make a great journey. What I am aiming to do is build my own computer. Okay, and I have a feeling, based from the first section that I did complete, which I think was labeled like basic foundation or something like that. I think this simulator will actually help me get to where I'm trying to go. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and start this, right? But first I do have to try to get everything like I had it. I think this is what I had. Okay. Simplify from input to the output. In the upper left corner under input, there is a green icon. Click it to turn it on. Very impressive. Don't be a plant. So in this level, the challenge is to figure out how the NAND component works. Be sure to figure it out before you complete this level, or you will get stuck on the next one. Okay, so pretty much a NAND gate. Oh, an interesting fact. So I had to Google, what are these gates? And apparently they're all transistors. So now that's more like electrical engineering, but it's like, wow, mind-blowing. Now I get why everyone is talking about smaller transistors and Moore's transistors and all that kind of stuff. By everyone, I'm talking about like AMD and NVIDIA. It's because, or AMD and Intel, it's because with more transistors, you have more different configurations or even possibly more gates, all this other stuff. Anyways, I like this simulator so far. Let's try to get back to where I was. So I guess they're just saying I need to figure out how it works. I already know what it does. Or the NAND gate. Oh, okay. Huh? Wait, oh, I'm tripping. And then one is on, it does that. Another one's on, so it does that. Not in. So we do this. So we got the NAND gate. Last level, you made that. Table discard circuits, build. And what I'm gonna do is after I get past this, I think each video will be the next objective, we'll call them. I think that would be pretty good as far as in like not keeping them so super long or whatnot. So what am I saying? Build a NOT gate. So this is on. So when this is on, the output is off. I mean, yes, I did complete this, but for some reason it's getting crazy. So when this is off, it's on, and then when this is on, okay. So this is what I was talking about. So we have AND gate, something. What I might do is a section, right? We'll see. Once I get back to where I was, one of these things might take longer or whatnot. But okay, so that's pretty much the intro to this. We are about to start on this journey, growing all the way back up. All the way, like when I looked at this, I'm like, wait, what? Assembly challenges, functions, CPU, architecture 2, programming. Like, yo, this is about to be epic. Really epic. So, okay, there we go. We have it. I will catch y'all in the next video. But don't forget to like and subscribe to the video down below. And also share your journey of the first 3 lessons. Or we'll call these objectives/lessons. Why not? See ya.